Hello everybody, how you doing today? I'm Jay coming at you, and today we have a long video, guys. We're gonna go through the setting of the Redmi 9. And this phone, as you can see, I already fixed some stuff there. I hide the notch, I put the TPU case. So let's just take a quick look at the TPU case before we go to the setting. It's a very nice, sturdy. It's very holding the phone very much. There is no, flexibles or issues or anything that shows signs that this case is going to not last. So this case looks really good, well put together. Also, there is also a plug over here to protect your USB Type-C. I don't know why, probably because of maybe water damage or maybe dust. But you have this thing here, so you want to charge, you just open it, plug it in, and that's it. You're good. Other than that, every cut is looking very nice. Here's the mic and the IR blaster. Also, there is a small cut from the top of his hair that actually shows you the microphone. So that's a good thing, everybody. Now, let's take a look at the setting of the phone itself. So let's see this. Now, this software, let me just quickly go to the software to show you what type of we are having. The MIUI 11, as you can see. This is the version 11.0.4.0, and this is the latest update, as you can see. Anyways, let's take a look at the setting here. And just let me a little bit pick the phone, or maybe let's just do a 2x, man. I had the Realme X2 Pro. I can just do the 2x. It's really nice. All right, so no, it's not actually nice because it's a video. All right, let's just slowly increase. Let's just do it this way. What happened? Okay. So it's maximum now because the light from the outside actually shining so much. So I have to increase the backlight. So let's just start here about the phone. It's basically going to show you what is about the phone and what's going on, and what do you have here is just basically show you the information of your phone, etc. etc. System updater app. This one actually basically Xiaomi apps, so it's not the Google app. So all of these, as you can see here, it's just Xiaomi apps. You have music download. So the most used things for me here is which I actually updated, is the screen recorder. It is a recorder over here, as you can see, screen recorder, and you have an update here because it's a Xiaomi app. Now the other thing that I like about applications here on the notification setting is that with this type of price, you have battery saving, you have cast, you have screen recorder, you have hotspot. So you have a lot of things here. You have reading mode. So also, let's go here and see what we have else. We have nearby share, which is fast sharing capabilities. You have the grayscale, which is going to turn your phone black and white for reading purposes. And you have the Mi remote. So you're having a lot of stuff here. You have headphone jack, IR blaster. So you have a lot of things here going on for such a price, guys. And this is really priced very well, considering the processor that's inside here, which is the MediaTek G80. Now let's go back to the setting, security status. So basically this is just your security thing, like find device, security update, Google Play Store. Now go to the SIM card and mobile networks. We have a dual SIM here. Let's take a look at what we have. I didn't install my SIM card, so it doesn't say that, but you can see in the package that it's a 4G. Let's go to the Wi-Fi. It's Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth 5.0. Which is nice. Oh, by the way, there's a setting here. Pair compatible devices. Show Bluetooth device without names. So you can just use this in the setting. Now we have also connection and sharing. Once you go there, a couple of things here, like anything involves sharing. So cast is where you can cast your window to your PC or your TV, and that's really helpful here, as you can see. And printing, you can print connect it to a printer, and you can just print the picture in your phone. Portable hotspot, everybody knows what's a portable hotspot. You have a VPN installed here, so I don't want to go there, because you can just go there and just allow the VPN. Now also you have airplane mode. I don't know why they put it here. It's just faster to go through the notification actually. We have private DNS. That's all the stuff, like wireless display. Connect to a display using Wi-Fi. It doesn't show. Anyways, so this is regarding the connection and sharing. Lock screen, you just set up your password. Rise to wake, you want to have it instead of doing it, or you have it double tap to wake. I'm gonna just allow the double tap to wake, so you can turn it off. Put like this, double tap, so you can double tap to wake and also double tap to turn off. Okay, that's a good user-friendly thing. We have launch camera, so double press the volume down to launch the camera if you want to. We have lock screen clock format. You can choose your clock format. Do you want it to be in the middle? Do you want it to be like this? Do you want it to be like this? It's up to you. Alright, so now that we are done with lock screen, let's go to display. Brightness level. You have night mode brightness. You know, when you put it in a night mode, you can choose what brightness you prefer. And this is the screen actual brightness, so you put it in maximum. And yeah, you can just put it on automatic, so it's gonna fix itself. Reading mode is off, so once you click on reading mode, it's gonna turn yellow. That will protect your eyes from the blue light effect. You can schedule it as well. Blue color scheme, you have warm or cool or default, so it's up to you to choose whatever you prefer. Dark mode, which is I set it to be, so once you click off in dark mode, everything is going to go white, and it's going to be I prefer the dark mode, of course, because it's easier if you're at a completely dark environment, easy on your eyes. Text size, you know what text size of this, you can change the text. So you can, what is this? Check this out, guys. So this here, so when device in VR, so there is a VR, you can just have it connected to VR, and you can do some stuff using the VR here. But I'm not actually expert in VR, and never used the VR before, so probably when this thing happen, or they actually someone has it in YouTube, just let me know what's going on with this option here. So notch and status bar, for me, you can have this hide notch. You have three options here, and these three options, as you can see, don't hide the notch, hide the notch. Okay, hide without moving status bar, so you can have it there, or you can just completely you know, put the status bar downstairs here. I don't see a reason. You can just put it up there, no problems, because it's a black screen. And this is what I have here. Other than the notch, we have show icon income notification. We have show connection speed. I already enabled it here. And we have edit carrier name. So you can adjust your carrier name instead. For example, whatever Verizon, you can call it Bigfoot, for example, whatever. Battery indicator, you can change this percentage or next to the icon or inside the icon. So it's up to you. Let's go back. Now let's take a look at what we have here. Auto rotate screen. So this is auto rotation. It's up to you to do it. Let's take a look at notification. No, actually display without sound vibration. So here you don't have the Dolby Atmos. Let me just put this out there. So you don't have Dolby Atmos, but what do you have here is something called sound effects. Once you click on it, you have the option to do some stuff over here, which is actually, as you can see, the earbuds. If you have a headphones, it will be nice to use this option where you can actually set up your headphones. You know, it depends on the setting over here. So here, as you can see, assigned buttons. So I need to connect the headphones here. So control volume level. You can control music playback, so you can do whatever. And you have also, let me just show you, additional setting. You can actually adjust it through the equalizer. I'm pretty sure there is an equalizer. Where is it? So yeah, once you connect the headphones, actually you can adjust the sound through the equalizer, which is really good. Yeah, there you go. It's very small. I cannot even read it over here. So this is the equalizer. And you have something called Mi Sound Enhancer. Use Mi Sound Enhancer when using speakers or headphones. So you connect to Bluetooth or using the cables. So that's a good thing if you have a headphone jack. Very nice from Xiaomi. Now let's go to the notification, and this is where you can decide what type of notification shade you want to have. For example, if you want to have it in the lock screen, you want to have it floating, or you have it like a badge, like a dot, just like an iPhone. When there is a dot on an app, that you know there's some notification going on here. And I'm just using the Android one just because I'm used to it. So let's go to home screen. So basically the launcher, I use the newer launcher. There is a Redmi old launcher, classic ones. I'm using the newer one, which is similar to the Poco phone launcher, which is really good. And if you actually want to have the Poco phone launcher, you can go download it on the App Store. It's really nice if you go get it. I actually used it in my Huawei phone, and it's really nice actually. It's very helpful, and it's very light as well. So let's take this up drawer. So you can suggest having up drawer or not. I actually enabled the up drawer here. Google Discover. So basically hit this, swipe up on home screen to open search. So I actually should disable this, because what I'm doing here is that when I swipe up, I get the information, but you don't want to swipe up and get the search engine thing, because it's gonna, you know, make it more harder for you. I prefer this way of setup actually. Here, shake to fill empty cells. So if your phone is messy, you can shake this thing. Let me just double check. No, it doesn't work. Maybe I have to take this guy and put it here. No, it doesn't work. Let me double check again. It says here, shake your device while in editing mode to fill the empty. Oh, in editing mode. So yeah, okay. When we do this, there you go. Worked. Okay, editing mode. So yeah. Let's go back, and what we have here, lock home screen, and we have screen lock, screen icon size, home screen, show memory status. So by doing this, let's see how we can see the memory status. Maybe if we can just go to back apps, and no, it doesn't show that. How can I see the memory status? Let me know in the comment section, guys, how to see this. So here have something called Blur App Preview. Blur App Preview and Recents. I also don't understand what is Blur App Preview. So Xiaomi users, let me know, because this is just a new software for me. Let's go back to the setting. Oops, we turned it off. Okay, so home screen. We're done with the home screen, so let's take a look at the wallpaper. So wallpaper is already installed. There's some pictures here and there. You can just add whatever you want. Password and security, typical thing. You do your security here. Password. Emergency alerts. So the emergency alerts basically national warning alerts, extreme emergency warning alerts, emergency warning alerts. Oh, why is this all the same? But what's national warning is that's crazy. I don't know why it's actually enabled. Already enabled. Alerts, testing alerts, exercise. To be honest with you, I think this is too much. I think this is too much. Okay, let's go to battery performance, and this is where things are gonna get crazy nice. Now, yesterday I had this phone on 62%, and I did a lot of things. Now I have 40%. So let's take a look how much screen time I have since then, and let's take a look at the battery status situation. It calculates, as you can see, and you see the curve is going down very, very slowly, but not a big drop. So let's take a look at the screen. So 2 hours and 80 minutes. I have 2 hours and 80 minutes of usability, and during this time, I actually, what I did, I used it from 61% until 40%. You do the math, okay, guys? You do the math. But it seems that it's a very, very excellent battery life. By the way, the standby time is insane. It's like 1%, stays as 1%. It doesn't go down. I don't know if it's an aggressive RAM management thing, but you know, it's working really, really nice. So let's take a look at the app battery saver. So you can actually specify what applications that you can put some saving option. Like for example, I would say like the MIUI remote. For whatever reason, I think if I'm installing a new application, so whatever reasons, I can just restrict background app. I can restrict background activity, and I can set up whatever thing I want to. So it's better to do it like for example, PUBG. I can just use the same thing. Maybe it's running in the background or whatever. So you can do it manually as well. You can add battery saving method, and it's going to increase your usability, which is really nice. Here you can schedule power on or power off, so you can know by 2 hours my phone will be turned off, and then I can schedule it to be turned on later on, which is really, really nice, man. If you are actually, you know how to use your phone, you want to totally shut down your phone, you can just turn it off today, and tomorrow morning should be turned on, and whatever reasons, you can just set it up just like this. This is regarding the battery performance. So if we go to apps, system app setting, and here you can just, for example, use your application and edit your application. Just say, for example, camera. You can go here. You can say notify about orientation, add timestamp to the photo, picture quality. You can so this is just like the setting for every single application. Call setting. You can just edit the incoming calls. Flip silent ringer, quiet ringer when lifted, increase ringtone volume, flash when ring. So you have a lot of options here. You can also go deeper into advanced. You can show you some missed call reminders. Sometimes you have missed calls and you missed the missed calls. You missed the missed calls. But at the same time, now we can actually set it to have you reminded about the missed calls, just in case you might forget about the missed calls. Yeah, so this is about the app setting. You go there and explore. It's very, very nice. You have also the dual app option, so you can have double applications at the same time, so you can use it forever double accounts, which is really nice. Permissions, you also can give your application permission. You can disable permissions, depends on what apps you think it's very secure or not secure, so that's up to you. Alright, so this is about the apps. Additional setting. This video is gonna be long, so stay tuned, guys. Have date and time. You can schedule your date and time. Language input. My version is the Saudi Arabian version, so I have all language in the world, so no problems with this. Full screen display. You have here double check for the gesture. So this is just tells you how to do the gesture. So here you can see double check the gestures. So you can full screen gestures. This is where you use the slide up to turn off your phone, your application, turn down the application, right left slide to go back. So this is how to do it in the full screen display. Button shortcuts. So this is a lot of things you can go here and check. I like the settings, man. There's a lot of customization with this MIUI 11. Launch camera, take a screenshot, turn off screen, turn on torch, which is the flashlight. You have a lot of things here. Okay, so we have bottom shortcuts. We have quick ball. Oh yeah, that's the scrolling ball around. So you don't want to have this. It's really disturbing. There is a ball that can control up and down and the navigation. So just use the gesture navigation is better for you, in my opinion. One-handed mode. So this is basically to make it smaller, as you can see here in the screen. We have car speaker. So let's take a look. What is car speaker? The car speaker play 30-second audio to clear the speaker. Oh, what the hell I'm thinking? What did I read it as a car? It's clear. What? Anyways, so let me just tell you what a clear speaker is. And it's very loud, and you have to be careful if you're in a public environment. So this thing, it says, just in case there is some dust in your speakers over here, so there's something inside, when you allow this, it's going to blow some sound, a very disturbing sound, very powerful sound that's actually going to vibrate here, and it's going to kick some dust outside. I don't know if you think this is a gimmick or not, but it's very annoying if you're actually suddenly do it. So it's very loud, and it's going to continue for 30 seconds. You cannot stop anything. That's the problem. Accessibility. Volume key shortcuts, so you can adjust your shortcuts, allow from lock screen. So this is maybe just for people who actually prefer doing this. Yeah, so that's it. That's it when it comes to it. Accessibility is just like, I don't know why I don't think it's very important. Some of them are important, but for example, color inversion. Why do you want to switch colors like this and color correction? Some people have problem maybe identifying colors. I'm not sure, but there you go. Enterprise mode. So basically, this is just to switch. What is it? Oh yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna go there. Probably this is gonna be just like the simple mode to do it. There is a lot of option here, guys. Digital well-being. You know what's a digital well-being. You just go here and watch whatever you have, what you've done, what safety you can do for your kids. If your kids doesn't use the phone, you can explore and see where they're going, what apps they're using. So it's a good thing. Oops. So special features. Check this out, guys. Now this is very interesting. Oops. So here we have the game turbo. So this option here actually gonna go to your turbo mode, as you can see here, and you have the applications, and you can set up things here. So if you go to setting, you have turbo, improve your gaming experience, and actually it's gonna increase your GPU performance. In-game shortcuts, home page orientation, vertical or horizontal, depends on the whatever game that you're using. Home screen shortcuts, performance mode. We have it here, performance mode, optimize system performance for gaming, bandwidth priority. So Wi-Fi, powerful speed, enhanced audio. Also, this is enhanced to reduce ambient sound and conversation. So yeah, there are some nice things over here. We have memory exceptions. So you can give this, for example, bigger memories. Like for example, maybe just reduce memories from some application and give it more priority to other applications. Here you have also answer commands hand-free, so that's good if you're playing the game and the call comes. It's just not gonna disturb your gaming. It's gonna pop up here, and you can use the call while you're playing. And after you turn off, you're still playing the game. Enhanced experience. So we have multiple things here, like 4 options. Turn off auto brightness. Turn off reading mode. Restrict screenshot gestures. So anything that would interrupt your screen while you're gaming, this actually going to prohibit it. So that's a good thing. You know, I think the white back screen is better than black when you're shooting in this environment, but yeah, that's just okay. Uh, okay, here, key modes, we have quick replies. Now, this thing actually use quick replies in the notification of the selected messages on WhatsApp. So basically when you receive a message here, you can just click and reply directly. Sometimes you need to open the app completely to do it. So quick reply is going to help you when you game to actually text and reply and while you're playing. So this is an option having over there. It's good that they have this option. Some companies just force things on you, but this software is very, very nice. Second space, basically this is where you have your other space. So whatever security reasons, maybe you're doing some other stuff, you want to explore other things, you have your second space for you. Light mode is a light mode, so it just makes you simple, light and simple. So instead of having a lot of things, you have 1, 2, 3 things on your screen, like for example, just 3 apps, 4 apps, basic apps, and some, you know, just turn that on and see what we have. So yeah, just like this, just simple thing, apps, call, gallery, Play Store, security, and that's it. Simple mode. And now how to go out of this? I hope I can I can do it. Let me just double check. Oh, light mode, turn off light mode. Okay, so turned it off now. Let's go back to setting. What happened? Yeah. Now what happened here, when I went to light mode and went back, it actually adjusted my gesture options. I cannot use anymore. I have to go fix it. I'm using the old school icons here. Yeah, that's it guys about the special features. We have Mi account. If you have a Xiaomi account, you can go there, log in, but you have also Google account, and you have your account as sync. You can sync your numbers and phone calls, all of that stuff that you have here, your pictures and everything. Privacy is privacy. Show password, permission manager. So you can control your privacy as well. So I know some people are having problem with the ads here. So have advertising, ad personalization. You can turn it on, and so you can receive ads. I just turned it off. You have usage in diagnostic, so basically this will help you to check what's going on with your information. So I don't want to go there, just keep it like this. Now location, you can just, so you do your location. Service and feedback. Service and feedback, there is nothing, but you can go actually and talk to the customers there. Very helpful. Sometimes you need to call, talk to them if they have issues and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much the setting of the Redmi 9. It's very, very long, and hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to drop a lot of videos later on working with the performance of the G80 for MediaTek. I'm going to play some emulators, PlayStation 2, Dolphin emulators. Where's Dolphin? I'm pretty sure I installed it. Okay, it's here. Call of Duty. I have PUBG. So let's take a look. Yeah, all of them here. So yeah, stay tuned guys for the next video. If you like it, please like and share, subscribe. Take care everybody. See you later.